In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz question paper using Google Forms. It's a quick and easy process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes, perfect for educators or anyone needing to craft a customized quiz quickly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Drive. Head to the Google Drive homepage, which is where all your documents and forms are typically stored. Once you're there, look for the New button on the left-hand side. It's usually quite visible and is the gateway to creating all sorts of Google documents, including forms. Once you click New, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down through the options until you find Google Forms. When you hover over it, another menu should appear, giving you the choice to start from a template or a blank form. For the purpose of creating a quiz, you should select Blank Quiz. This is specifically tailored to add quiz-specific functionalities like setting correct answers and assigning points. Now that you have a blank quiz form open, it's time to personalize it. At the top, you'll see an option to name your form. Click that area and enter a title for your quiz, something descriptive that reflects the subject or topic you're covering. Naming your form not only helps with organization but also sets the tone for participants. Next, you'll want to set your form so that it functions as a quiz. Navigate to the Settings tab, which is located at the top of the page. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize your form, but to make it a quiz, the key thing you need to do is toggle on the Make This a Quiz option. This enables features for adding points and providing automatic feedback. With that done, switch back to the Questions tab to start building your quiz. Begin by clicking on the Add Question button on the side. This is where you'll input your questions and choose the format in which respondents will answer. Google Forms offers several types of question styles, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. Select the format that best fits the type of responses you're expecting. In each question, you can specify the correct answer and assign point values by clicking on the answer key. This feature is particularly handy because it automates the grading process, saving you time. Customization doesn't stop there. In the Customize Theme section, you can alter the appearance of your form by changing the color scheme or adding images, making your quiz visually appealing. Once you've added all your questions and made the necessary customizations, it's time to publish your quiz. Click on Send to generate a link that you can share with your intended audience. This allows them to access and complete your quiz at their convenience. And there you have it, a complete customizable quiz ready to go. Remember, Google Forms is a powerful tool, and with a few easy steps you can create professional quizzes that are both functional